Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. Would you like to tour North Naples by boat? Well, today is your lucky day. I've got some great offers for you from our friends at boatnaples.com. Now, through September 15th, they're offering a BOGO deal. Buy one, get one. Pay now, tour later. You get 2 tours for the price of one, and you have up to 1 year from your date of purchase to take your tours. Dolphin watching is best in the early mornings, eco tours, shelling, island picnics. Dog friendly? Of course. Give them a call. Ask them about our Southwest Florida Television sunset cruises. They're a ton of fun, always great people on board with us, complimentary beer and wine, a Slancha Irish whiskey sunset toast, a beautiful Southwest Florida sunset, and quality time with me. What more could you ask for? BoatNaples.com. Great people. Let them know that Rob from Southwest Florida Television sent you. Tally ho.